Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I wash my basic cap wigs. This is my Noriko Meadow and the color is Silverstone. I have worn this several times. I've gotten makeup on the cap, so I know it's time to wash it. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I like this little basin that I've bought. It's easy to drain and fill with water, and I don't have to fill up my whole sink. So I really enjoy this. I am using the Estetica Nourish and Renew shampoo and conditioner. I really like these. You only need about a quarter size in your hand. I'm going to put that in here, and then I'm going to fill my basin with cool water, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, now that I have my basin filled, I'm going to hold my wig, my hand under the cap, and I'm going to just put it down and immerse it in the shampoo. Just barely moving it around, making sure it gets wet all over. Now, if I had a longer style, I would have made sure, this is a short style, and I had already combed it, but you want to run your wide tooth comb through it beforehand, just to make sure there are no tangles or anything in it before you wash it. But again, I will just let this sit for about 3 minutes. Again, this is basic cap. I would not do that with a hand-tied cap, but with this basic cap, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, it has sat for a little bit. I am going to turn it inside out, and as you can see, that makeup is really almost all the way gone. I just use a little bit of the water, and I gently rub my hands, just like you see, across my cap, just in making sure that it is clean, and it is. And now I am going to dump this water and rinse my wig. Now I just turn my water on and run it completely through the cool water through my wig. I like to turn mine inside out and rinse it again through the cap, making sure I am getting all the soap out. Okay, now I'm just going to gently squeeze the water from it. I'm going to lay it to the side on a towel, and then I'm going to fill my basin again, and I am going to put a little bit of conditioner in here. Be sure to read the instructions on your bottle, on your shampoo and conditioner for your wigs. I have put the Estetica conditioner in, again, following the same process that I did with washing. I am going to make sure it's completely soaked. Now, again, basic cap. I would not do this on a hand-tied cap. To condition a hand-tied cap, I will show you how. You just want to do like mid-shaft of the hair to the ends. You don't want to get conditioner on the cap of a hand-tied because you would not want to loosen the knots. But on my basic cap, I will let it sit here just a minute or two and then rinse. Now, after I have completely rinsed it, again, gently squeeze out the excess. Okay, now that I have finished washing it, I had squeezed out the extra water. I gently lay it in a towel, just like this, and I wrap the towel over it, and I gently press the water out. Never make a twisting motion on your wigs, ever. Just gently press the water out. You'll see you get a good bit of water out that way. And then you can either hang this by the tag to dry, or you can put it on a wig stand. Either way, that's a personal preference, however you would like to do it to dry it. And let it dry overnight. These wig stands are great because they let air circulate through it, and you will be ready to wear it tomorrow.